All right, screen replacement. It is going to be small, but this is for the boxes underneath the whatever the info boxes are called on Twitch. All right, so this computer came in a week ago. The guy needed it back ASAP, so he held on to it. And now, this is what we're replacing. We're replacing this. So, let's get this turned off. This is a rush. So, to master, what we're talking about here is, like, you have your regular camera, and then you have a depth sensing camera, which is the Windows Hello camera. Okay, let's see if we can get this out of here easily.
Hey, thanks for checking out this video. If you like these videos, make sure you hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. It really, really helps the channel.
All right, so this is the one I just put back in here with nothing holding it back in, because it requires like little adhesive pulls, which I have here, which, it's interesting. Pretty sure that's the adhesive pull right there. All right, so we got that off. We're gonna lift this that little tab. Screen is now disconnected. Flip this over. That plugged back in. Here we go. We got a click. We got a positive lock. It's good to see you here this morning, Tech. What's that? Size 9 head. Turn it back on. Let's make sure our screen is actively working. With it back on. Lenovo. It looks like we're good. Oh, Big Head's custom hattery. Oh, what is a hat maker called? They have a very huh? Haberdasher? Yeah. Big Head's haberdashery. There you go. All right, screen's working. Quick, someone LLC that. I'd make hats for people. I like hats. All right, let's see how well their adhesive works. And we're gonna do it this way, which is the way that it was in there originally. Line this up like so. And we're gonna put 2 pieces on there. That's on there now. Get that out of here. It's stuck way too much. Yeah. See that, like, if I wasn't, and I've talked about this, not on stream, but I've talked about this with my wife quite a bit. If I wasn't doing what I'm doing right now, I'd be a mechanic. Because I have all of those skills. I've worked on cars. I've replaced complete engines in cars. Like, I'm pretty knowledgeable about that kind of stuff. And that's probably what I'm doing. So, going from that to making boots or wood or hats, not that big of a leap. All right. There's that. Pull that off. Come on. All right, so we got our adhesive on there. It's ready to go. We're going to line this up. So when you're going to put this back in, there are, I guess, let me show you visually. Yeah. So when we're going to go put this screen back in here, you're going to see that there is this little line here, and that is what we want to line the screen up with. So it sits in there nice and snug like that, not super pressed against it, but just enough. And then make sure it's up there on both sides, and then we're just going to drop it down. And then where the adhesive is, we're going to gently just rub it up and down. This motion right here. Don't press too hard. You do some damage. You're just gonna up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. All right, and now that should be adhered. All right, and then this guy around the edge here, there's actually a little line of adhesive, but like we're not going to replace this. It's still in pretty good shape. We are going to, you can see it, like even though I just did all that gentle rubbing, it still wants to come apart. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna hold this corner here, just get your thumb on it, grab this, off it comes. Line everything up, get that, get the corners clicked in. I'm gonna click all the way across the bottom here. Make sure everything actually lines up all the way across. Hello, I'll be right up there. All right, I'll be right back. Thank you, Tech. All right, so I have a data recovery that just came in, which I'm gonna snap on here in a second. And you can see we're having a little bit of a bowing issue. This bezel is not wanting to click down all the way. So we gotta figure out what's going on there. Oh, there we go. It just has to go. So I guess I'll kind of show this a little bit. You see this, how it's sticking up like this? This is one of the bezels that you need to physically contort to get actually clicked back in correctly. So, and then we just need to get this central location. There we go. You can hear all the clips clicking back in. And why is this something? It's not wanting to adhere here for some reason. There we go. And this just needs to, just gonna need some time. We need to click these together. Why didn't you guys tell me this was going on? Oh, that just clicked together so tightly it took the skin off of my finger. There we go. And then we'll check it on all sides. That side looks good. That side looks good. All looks good. And Enzo, my boy, you're ready to go. This is a mouse. So you can see, maybe a little bit, you can see I can move the mouse around with that. Yeah. Hey, thanks for watching that video. If you liked that video, make sure you hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And I stream daily on Twitch at twitch.tv/SpecVengeance. And yeah, if you want to learn more about my services, check out Bradenton PC Repair.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.